Okay, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing squad building challenge. So, bang, let's do this, baby. Okay, I bet it's going to be a rubbish pack. Gold upgrade, okay, thank you. Yeah, we'll take that 2 rare player pack. Alright, it's opening. It's just Tinsy Flare. It's going to be like, oh my gosh, I just went and bought him, but who cares? We can sell the one I bought and we make some money from that, so that's quite good. Alright, so we made a bit of profit from that, so yeah, if you haven't noticed, there's my Christmas jumper. So yeah, if you have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and I will see you later.